As the owner of one of the largest woodworking and metalworking machinery companies in North America, Grizzly Industrial's president, Shiraz Balolia, is accustomed to having only the best of the best when it comes to outfitting his own personal shop. Unfortunately, the last time he wanted a new drill press, there wasn't a single machine on the market anywhere that could meet his laundry list of needs. At the top of that list was a power feed for his table elevation. Because this hadn't been done before, the reaction from the factory initially was, "We cannot do that." Not accepting that as an answer, several meetings were held with engineers, some special parts were made, and voila, we have a table with powered up and down travel. This is a huge time saver, back saver, and convenience factor for those projects requiring the table to move up and down the column repetitively or a large distance each time. Other items Shiraz had on his must-have list were a Gearhead headstock in single phase and variable speed spindle control with a large digital readout for optimum control of cutting results. The drill press also needed geared high-low speed ranges, which were only available in a 3-phase motor to get to the very low RPMs and especially with big bits. However, he wanted a single-phase plug-in, so a variable frequency drive was added. This allows a 3-phase motor to run on single-phase power. Of course, last but not least, Shiraz also required an X and Y axis table with longitudinal power feed for milling, as well as faster drilling setup convenience. The result? What started as a personal money-no-object project for Grizzly's president turned into one of the most functional, feature-packed drill presses on the market with no compromises. Now let's take a closer look at some of the features that make the G0808 variable speed gearhead drill press so special. Powering the spindle is a 1.5 horsepower, 220 volt 3-phase motor, which uses a variable frequency drive to operate on a single phase power supply. The benefit of this design is that you get the reliable variable speed spindle control from 0 to 2500 RPM and the great low-speed torque characteristics of a 3-phase motor without the need for 3-phase power. The reversible spindle has an R8 taper to accept different arbors and milling collets, a generous 20 3/4 inches of swing, and nearly 5 inches of vertical travel. It also has fine downfeed controls and an adjustable depth stop system. The headstock rotates 360 degrees around the column and can tilt 30 degrees to the left and 90 degrees to the right to accommodate workpieces of all shapes and sizes. The precision ground cast iron table is 7.5 inches wide by 23 inches long, features 15 inches of X-axis travel, 7 inches of Y-axis travel, and rotates 360 degrees around the column. The 1/2 inch wide T-slots allow for a variety of clamping options. Positioning the table has never been easier, thanks to the horizontal and vertical power feed units. The G0808 offers a 1 9/16 inch drilling capacity in mild steel, as well as a 3/4 inch end milling and 3 15/16 inch face milling capacity. For overall size, the G0808 is 42 inches wide, 46 inches deep, and 77 inches tall, and weighing in at an impressive 705 pounds. The G0808 brings years of high-quality machine production experience in one fully loaded package. This truly may be the last drill press you ever need to buy, and one that is in the personal shop of the president of Grizzly. Visit grizzly.com today to see and compare our full line of drill presses and accessories for your shop.